pag-usapan natin ang automated testing. Automated testing is using software tools to run pre-scripted tests. Ma-ensure natin ang expected behaviors quickly and reliably. So, it speeds up the process and eliminates or mababawasan natin ang manual testing. Less prone to human error. Developers write unit tests to test individual components. That's what we're going to do now, and here is the example. I created a simple JavaScript program. It's called the calculator.js, and I've also created this calculator.test.js, which is ito yung mga test scripts natin. We have to include our package.json, npm test, and it's going to run your tests. Ito yung mga calculator operations natin. Ito yung mga different tests. Sasabihin niya kung ilan yung na-pass niya, nag-pass lahat ng test results. Ngayon at napakinggan nyo na yung example, sino-sino nga ba ang mga type na developers na gumagawa ng mga ganito? Kasama na dito ang mga test automation engineers and QA engineers. Pagdating naman sa pagse-setup ng automated pipeline natin, ang in charge doon is ang ating mga DevOps engineers. Testing is very important in creating a project. Therefore, it is the role for us developers, us test engineers, and business analysts to always collaborate and make the project even easier and ensure the quality of the project throughout the development. In conclusion, automated testing is the backbone for modern software development, and it ensures speed, reliability, and quality assurance. With that said, this is your host, Josiah from Josiah Does Tech. Make sure to like and follow for more.